Hi, I'm Peter. I'm the CTO of Metaio and also responsible for Junaio, our next generation augmented reality browser. We have released a new version and I'm happy to show you our new features. Until now, Junaio was open for users to add content, but it was impossible for you as developers to create your own ideas using Junaio and add external content. We have opened Junaio through an open API, and this one allows you to create channels to add your own creativity and external content that you might make available to users. Why do we call them channels? Channels can hold static information, static points of interest, and that's quite standard. You know all about it. But to make things more interesting, more viral, and to give you more creative freedom, we have designed channels to also hold dynamic information. This can be notifications that will show up on the user's news page. And secondly, you can dynamically react to the users interacting with your channel. So if a user clicks a point of interest, you will get a callback and you have the creative freedom to react to that interaction. You can change the point of interest or even the whole data of your channel for that user. How do users discover your channel? Just like discovering an app in an app store. We have featured channels and different categories like food, games or travel. Inside those categories, users can sort by latest channels, most popular channels, or most relevant channels nearby. The feature of the sorting by most points of interest nearby allows your channel to be discovered wherever you provide sensible content. Another advantage of the subscription model is the fact that if people subscribe to your channel, you can continuously reach them through the news page. You can post news to your news page, which can be a new game high score, news about your channel, or coupons. Since Junaio provides a full user management, you will get a unique, anonymous ID of the users whenever they search or interact with your data. This also allows you to do viral things, because news that will reach one user could also reach their friends. And if the user opted in for it, they can even forward your channel news to their Twitter feed. You know what? German winter can be quite cold. Let's go inside and look at some more features. One of the coolest features of Junaio 2.0 is its capability for indoor augmented reality. So we have created these LLA markers, and you as developers will understand they hold the latitude, longitude and altitude of the position you want to hold any information. So you can create these yourself and do all kinds of crazy things with them, because they will, when the user scans them, replace the position of the phone for 60 seconds with the position that's inside that marker. The scenario I'm showing here is our small Metaio museum, and I'm able to take a picture of this marker, so scan this marker, and it then positions me right next to this piece of art. And I can, of course, see some information about the work, when it was created, who created it, all these things, you name it. But then, and that's really, really cool, I can go back to live view and see indoor navigational information that will lead me to the next piece of work on my guided tour.
Hey Peter.
Hey Frank.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, how are you?
I'm fine. We're doing a developer brief for Genaio 2.0, and I was wondering, what's your favorite Genaio feature?
Well, my favorite feature is that as a developer, you can not only put information on Genaio, but you can actually build up a little game. You can have users interact with other models, they change, you can just have them interact with each other. And all the features, they're actually on Genaio. If you just go to become a developer, and then you click the use the source look, you pretty much get a whole reference guide and you get all the information you need there.
Thanks a lot. Actually, Frank is your point of contact if you have any support questions or you need help developing your channel. He can also help you include new features in our clients that you might need for your cool game or your channel. So feel free to contact Frank if you have any questions. Thank you very much for your attendance, and I'll see you again when we introduce the Android version with live markerless tracking. Bye.